Daily English context. Returning a defective product to a store. Imagine spending £200 on a fancy new coffee machine, taking it home, and nothing happens. The dreaded flashing red light. We have all been there, right? Returning something broken can feel incredibly stressful, especially in another language. But don't worry. Today, we are going to learn exactly how to handle this situation with absolute confidence. Let us start with our first word. If a product is broken or not working correctly, we say it is faulty. Like a brand new toaster that only burns your bread. That is definitely a faulty toaster. When you return a faulty item, the shop will ask for proof of purchase. This is usually your paper receipt, but it could also be an email confirmation or a bank statement showing you actually bought it. If you have that proof, the shop can issue a refund. This simply means they will give you your money back, usually returning it directly to the bank card you originally used to pay. But what if you lost the receipt? Well, the store might only offer you store credit. Instead of cash, they give you a gift card or a voucher to spend inside their shop on something else. Store credit is great if you actually need something else from that specific shop. But if you just want your cash back, it can feel a little bit frustrating, honestly. Finally, your item might be under warranty. This is the manufacturer's promise to repair or replace the product for free within a certain time frame, usually a year or two after you buy it. Now, let us see these words in action. Jessica is back at the electronics shop. She bought a very expensive blender yesterday, but things have not exactly gone to plan. Let us watch.
Hi there. I bought this super blender here yesterday, and honestly, I am so disappointed. I plugged it in this morning to make a smoothie, and it is completely dead.
Oh, I am really sorry to hear that. Those blenders are usually fantastic. Let me take a look. I see. It seems the motor inside might be faulty.
Yeah, faulty is definitely the right word. It just made a horrible clicking sound and then stopped completely. I would love to just give it back and get my money, please.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Since you just bought it yesterday, we can definitely sort this out. Do you have your proof of purchase with you today?
Oh, proof of purchase? I know I had the receipt in my pocket yesterday, but I think I might have accidentally thrown it in the recycling bin.
Well, without a receipt or an email confirmation, I cannot completely verify the transaction. That makes things a tiny bit more complicated for a cash return.
Oh no, seriously? I literally just bought it yesterday. The box is completely perfect, and you can see the price sticker is still right there on the side.
I believe you. I really do. But without that proof of purchase, the system will not let me issue a refund to your credit card. The computer physically blocks it.
Okay, I understand it is not your fault. But what can we do? I just spent £150 on a machine that does absolutely nothing.
Well, do not panic just yet. Let me check something quickly. Did you by any chance use our store loyalty card when you bought this faulty blender yesterday afternoon?
Oh, yes, I did. Actually, the cashier scanned my phone app at the checkout. Does that save the digital receipt? Because that would absolutely save my life right now.
Let me pull up your account. Here we are. Yes, I see the transaction from yesterday at 4 o'clock. This acts perfectly as your proof of purchase.
Oh, thank goodness. That is amazing news. So, since you found the digital transaction, does that mean you can officially issue a refund directly back to my bank card?
Well, here is the slight issue. Because you used a special promotional coupon yesterday, the system is acting strange. It will only let me offer you store credit.
Wait, store credit? But I do not want to buy anything else right now. I just want a working blender, or I want my cash back in my bank.
I completely understand your frustration. The system defaults to store credit when promo codes are involved. Let me call my manager over to see if we can override it.
Thank you. I would really appreciate that. It just seems silly to give me store credit when the machine you sold me was clearly broken right out of the box.
I agree completely. Between you and me, the computer system is incredibly annoying sometimes. Let me just type in this special manager override code and see what magically happens.
Fingers crossed. I really do love this shop, but this whole blender situation is driving me slightly crazy. I just want to make my morning smoothies in peace.
Bingo! The override worked! I can officially issue a refund to your card right now! You do not have to settle for the store credit after all!
Oh, that is actually brilliant. Thank you so much, George. You have been incredibly helpful today. I was really starting to think I was stuck with a very expensive paperweight.
You are very welcome. Now, would you like to just take the refund, or do you want to grab a replacement blender? We have a brand new shipment in stock.
I do still really want a blender. If I take a replacement today, will it automatically be under warranty in case this exact same thing happens again?
Yes, absolutely. Every single new machine comes completely under warranty for 2 full years. So if the motor fails again next month, the manufacturer will replace it entirely for free.
Well, in that case, let us just do an exchange. I will take the replacement blender. Hopefully, this one actually turns on when I plug it in tomorrow morning.
I will personally test it right here at the desk before you leave, just to be absolutely safe. Let me go grab a fresh box from the back room.
That is perfect! Thanks again for sorting this out. Returning things is usually such a nightmare, but you made it completely painless. I really appreciate the excellent service.
What a relief. Let us quickly review those words. Jessica's blender was faulty, meaning it was broken. George needed proof of purchase, like a receipt, to verify she bought it. Without the receipt, George could initially only offer store credit, meaning money to spend in the shop. But thankfully, he managed to issue a refund and give her money back. Finally, Jessica chose a replacement because she knew it was safely under warranty, meaning the manufacturer guarantees it will work for 2 years. Such a truly useful set of vocabulary. Have you ever had to return a faulty item? Tell me your story in the comments below using one of today's words. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.